la mierda. Ah. Quédate quieta, gorda. Quédate quieta, gorda. Bueno. Oh shit, the car's shaking. Ah, fuck. Oh boy. Oh shit. God damn. I'm gonna bust my damn window out. Ah, fuck. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn, my whole fucking window's busted out. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Holy shit. Oh. It's gone.
Any place to go?
As we continue to deal with this dangerous and frenetic situation. Live quarantine coverage here from the stations of Summer Radio. If you lose one of our signals,
Okay.
we have battery
go back down and go
you'll find us on another frequency. We're broadcasting now on all stations of Summer Radio.
Oh, babe, you don't know how disappointed I am in you right now.
What do you want me to do? Where do you want me to go?
Okay.
Reported numerous times in the city of Chatwood.
We cannot go back that way. We need to fucking stay here.
That was where they said that they saw the actual tornado. And so most people said, look, they hear what's done.
Get back up close to the... Fuck. Yeah. I know, we're in it. That's why I told you don't go anywhere.
I'm not moving.
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay. We need to get back up close to the building.
We can't.
You're okay, babe.
Hold on, Brennan.
I know, we're in tornado. Yeah.
No. It's gonna break the window.
Okay, roll the window down. Crap.
No.
I've ever been to a Twister. Holy fuck! Jesus hell! my God, Uncle Dan. Let's get in the closet. Go, get in the closet.
Dude, that's getting loud. That's... Oh, shit. Might want to go down to the basement, you think?
No, we're good.
Dude, that thing sounds fucking crazy. Oh, dude, you see all the debris up there flying? Oh, maybe I can get a good zoom in.
Oh my God, here, give me that.
It's zoomed in a little bit. Oh, dude, that looks wild.
Oh, it's right there. That's that tornado right there.
Oh, shit. Which way is it moving? That way?
No, I think it's moving this way.
Shit.
Yeah, let's get downstairs.
The pressure drop.
Yeah. Well, there goes all the trees. Get in the bathroom.
And this is a place right here?
Huh? Man, isn't that something?
Oh, bombs.
She's not coming home yet.
That'd be upstairs in my room.
Dang. What is that?
My room.
Your window just broke?
So that's my living room. Almost every window in the house is breaking, Dad.
Don't worry about it, son.
Down here, going the only one left. Dude, come here. Give it up.
They won't last long.
It was a small one.
Where's your Jeep?
Right in the wind. I don't think we have a top one.
Down the road from your house to the corner. Yep, there goes the roof off a house. And yep. Hang on, I love you. I'm okay, you already know. My truck is, I'm okay. Yep, I'm okay. Still good. I'm still good. Just